Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Touch ID for purchases so downloads are fast and secure. First, open Settings and authenticate at Touch ID and passcode. This links your fingerprints to device security. Next, make sure you're signed into your Apple ID and iTunes and App Store so purchases can be authorized. Once done, turn on the iTunes and App Store toggle under Touch ID. This grants the App Store permission to use biometric verification instead of typing your password every time. Now you perform the actual purchase using Touch ID. Search the App Store and tap the price button or Get to Begin. The store will prepare an authentication request. When the Touch ID prompt appears, lightly press the home or top sensor with a finger you already registered. Hold briefly until it confirms. The system replaces a typed password with this biometric check for speed and security. After it verifies, you'll see Purchased or the app download progress bar appear. To finalize, confirm the app finishes installing and open it to validate any initial permissions. If Touch ID fails during a purchase, first toggle Touch ID for iTunes and App Store off and on, then re-register the fingerprint. This often resolves recognition errors. Also make sure iOS is current and restart the iPad if problems persist. Software glitches can block verification. Finally, verify your Apple ID, payment method, and Wi-Fi or cellular connection before attempting the purchase again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.